Derek with Eliminex. We're in South Brook, New Jersey. I got a call for squirrels. You got little traps put down. They've already been triggered. Something's been going in them. He said something's been eating. So I see a lot of moisture in here. You can see all this mold. There's not much mitigation. Trying to find a good placement. There's a lot of moisture in this attic. No good airflow. And you can see all these droppings, urine. And I'm thinking rodents. He's dropping their pellets though. Then you see some elongated. And you see bigger pellets. I'm thinking flying squirrels. Just gathering all this insulation. I mean, flying squirrels can't do that. Flying squirrels can't. They don't gather insulation and build them in piles like this. You might have a combination of issues. You see some blown in cellulose. Looks like somebody just brought in bags of cellulose and just raked it, because it doesn't look fluffed up at all. And there's so much moisture in this attic, and you can see the R value of the blown in is really horrible. I mean, it like flattened out to only like 3 inches in height, and then a lot of it's been excavated. I'm not sure if some of this was cleaned out and then they put some batting on top to make it a higher value. You see a lot of insulation shored up, and I can actually breathe in here because there's really nothing in the air because there's so much moisture. There's no fibers floating around. It's all matted down. Insulation's not doing its job. You see the roof. You see all the trapped moisture. You know, they're not getting adequate airflow through the vents. And you see a lot of board activity. They put boards everywhere. Let me see what's going on. Maybe this vent. You know, these vents have screens on them. Somebody was doing some rodent control. Put some rodent poison out. So far I can't find activity, but I see bird nest activity down here. Somehow birds are getting in. Birds are getting in here. I don't know if that's from when maybe that's from an older roof, because the roof looks like it's been replaced. Outside the shingles look newer, but inside you see all this oh yeah, you can see where the original roof was, and you see the tongue and groove. So it was original on one part, and it looks like maybe they put sheathing on the other, but you see a lot of birds nesting. So what's to say what's old, what's new? I shut off the light. I can't see any light, but I'm gonna guess there's a rodent. That's rodents. I'm gonna guess flying squirrels. They're in here. I need to put a lot of traps. He says they're going after the bait and the traps, and then getting set. He must have heard a lot of running around when he's here doing the work. A lot of digging. I'm going to finish up this inspection. We're going to go look on the other side and see if there's go on the other side and see if there's any openings in the vents. See how it's getting into the attic. Bridge vents. See a lot of damage to the roof. Maybe they chewed in. See a lot of damage where they just covered it. They just got lazy. You can feel like you can feel the shingles. Oh my god. They just put shingles over the hole. It's probably a do-it-yourself roofing situation and they didn't want to replace the wood. Maybe for a resale. You see a lot of chewing activity here. Lots of chewing activity. And there's pockets where there was a... Oh, there's a hole. There it is. Okay, yeah. So it's on the corner. That's what I thought when I was outside. I saw what I thought was a hole on the other side, but I thought it could have been moisture damage. So it's definitely, this is the entry point. Great. I was getting all confused as heck. So it's definitely Eastern Grays. Coming in from that. Just see so much damage and soil. You see how the roof was just put on horrible. And you can see a nice size hole. See? Someone tried to get some wood furniture and try to patch up the hole from inside. So there we go. A lot of trapping's gonna have to be done here. It looks like a combination of everything. I see flying squirrels, rodents. But you see back here, it looks like big animals, you know. It's all piled up. Alright, so I'm going to take some more pictures. I'm going to write a report for this gentleman. And then be on with my day. Alright, Derek with Eliminex. Have a good day.